In this tutorial, I will show you how to download Clash Royale on PC or laptop in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From desktop, open your browser and here in the search bar, type Google Play Beta and hit enter. Click on Google Play website. Here click on download on PC. After it's downloading, a pop-up will appear on the top right corner. Here click on the installer file you have recently downloaded. Now click on install, wait for its downloading and installation. Okay, here you need to sign in with Google by clicking on sign in with Google. Here enter your email and click on next. And now enter your password and click on next. After signing in, close this window and then click on create your file, then click on accept and then click on finish. After this, click on search icon on the left side. Then in top right side, search bar will appear. Here type Clash Royale and hit enter. Here suggestions of games will appear. You need to find Clash Royale and then click on it. Then click on install. Here click on add. Wait for its downloading and installation process. After this, you can play Clash Royale on your PC or laptop by just clicking on play. So that's how you can download Clash Royale on PC in just few easy steps.